Indeed, we see when we look around the world that people are living longer than ever before in human history. And in fact, there's 36 countries where you can live longer than you live in the United States. And that's a wonderful thing with advanced in technology, the advance in hygiene, sanitation, the reduction of infections. We find that we're living longer. However, the problem is that we're developing many degenerative diseases as we age, and we don't end up very healthy in those extra years of life. So what we want to do, in my opinion, we want to try to stay stronger longer, stronger physically, stronger mentally, stronger spiritually, so we can have zest and enjoyment in the extended years of life that we have. And personally, in my case, I want to live a long time because I have so much I want to learn and so much I want to share with all the people who are concerned about how to maximize their health. One of the first things we always do then is we say, I want to stay in a natural state of good health. So to begin that, we live according to nature. We maybe follow from the animal kingdom. We eat fresh, whole food. We sleep when we're tired. We have a regular system of sleeping and eating. We follow the routines of life, and we take foods that are in season. A simple way to look at the diet is the alkaline diet, because this is a diet that is based on the alkalizing fresh foods of the season. You might take a look at our work on the alkaline diet if you haven't done it. And of course, we're burdened with many, many toxins, just like we have terrifically amazing medicines where you can replace somebody's kidney and put another kidney in. We are at the same time have an unprecedented toxic burden. 80,000 chemicals are put into the environment every year. Everything we breathe, touch, or smell is in many ways providing us with toxins. So we have to have the ability to repair tissues and detoxify to maintain a strong immune system. And today's living generally requires that we use nutritional supplements to support us. The Alkaline for Life brand I've developed is a whole brand of high quality, professional grade supplements, 30 different supplements from things from products to help the liver support detoxification to the best buffer to ascorbate vitamin C in the world, a series of products that will help to maintain immunity, help the body to detoxify, help us as we move day to day towards an advanced life, that it be a life of health and strength. The more attention that we pay to our life guidelines and our health guidelines in younger years, the more likely in our advanced years we'll be strong and healthy right to the very end. I certainly wish each of you a healthy, long life and plenty of enjoyment free of chronic disease. Comment life to a link to our high-quality nutrient products, which is the first step you can take towards staying stronger longer.